Here's a way of making a looped structure or framework for a pendant or for a dangly earring. So I'm creating a row of loops with the end of my round nose step pliers, but you can use round nose pliers. And I'm going to make 5 of them in a row with little gaps in between. And you can see I've left a tail because I want it to be a teardrop shape frame, and you'll see how that's made in a minute. So I've got 5 loops in a row, cut it off so it's equidistant projecting wire on each side, then bring it around a mandrel, a circular mandrel, so that those little loops sit proud 90 degrees to the mandrel, push them against that mandrel to get that rounded end of my frame, and then bring the 2 ends together at the top. Then cut one end a little bit just to make a hook, and then I will push the other projecting wire into that hook and squish it down to seal it in and secure and straighten the stem. So there's my framework. And now I'm going to cut little stalks of wire and make links at the top of each. And these I can suspend off those little loops, or I could put beads onto them and thread those to suspend off. But I'm just straightening out my little stalks of wire that have the links on one end, and then I'm going to flatten and spread and hammer with my planishing steel end of my whammer hammer, so that sort of mushrooms them out and splays out the wire. You can see how it looks like a little paddle. So you do that to all the pieces that you want to suspend off from the end of your little links. So now you can just link those little pieces onto those links on the loops of the frame. You can also put a bead on the wire and then hammer the end so it acts as a head pin, because the bead won't be able to fall off the end of the stalk. So all you need to do now is open the link at the top, link it onto your loops on the frame, and there you have it. You could put a bead at the top of the frame before you make the link to suspend it. So that would be a very decorative dangly earring design, or it could be for a necklace. So that's one way of making a framework for dangles, or you could wire a bead into the center, and alternatively you could hang one in there. So I hope you enjoy this design and you can create your own versions. Many thanks for watching.